got here is a Beyblade rivet launcher. And what we've done here with this rivet launcher, as you can see, is we've altered the launcher to become a Beyblade burst rivet launcher. Ah, you heard that right, Beyblade burst. We've taken these 3 screws out here. I've already taken them out, and you can see that. Pop that off so the burst bays fit on correctly. Just like this. You see there. As you'll see from our test here, this launcher provides great speed and performs really, really admirably. The first ever Beyblade burst rivet launcher.